when two events, okay, A and B are non-mutually exclusive. Okay, so for non-mutually exclusive event, there are the event that can happen at the same time. Okay, can happen at the same time. Then the probability that A or B will occur is, okay, PA union B equals to PA plus PB minus intersection. Okay, probability of A intersect B. Okay, so because it can happen at the same time, okay, then both event has intersection. If we draw a Venn diagram, it look like this. Okay, so kedua-dua event tu ada persilangan. Okay, non-mutually exclusive. For probability of disjoint or mutually exclusive event, PA and B, okay, probability A and B is equals to 0. Okay, for mutually exclusive event, it means that the event cannot happen at the same time. So that's why the intersection PA intersect B is equals to 0. So this only valid when two events are mutually exclusive. So it states that the probability of either event occurring is the sum of probabilities of each event, okay, occurring. If A and B are said to be mutually exclusive event, then the probability of an event A occurring or the probability of event B occurring is given by, so this is the formula, PA union B equals to PA plus PB. So no more, okay, the intersection. Okay, kenapa sudah tak ada? Sebab nilai ni adalah sama dengan kosong. Okay, sama dengan kosong. So, okay, yang tinggal cuma PA plus PB. If you draw, okay, the event in Venn diagram, okay, jadi dia tiada persilangan. Okay, mutually exclusive.
Example 2. Given that probability of A and B are such that PA equal to 3 over 8, PB is equal to 1 over 4, and PA intercept B is equal to 1 over 8. Okay, find the probability of A union B. So for this question, it doesn't mention it is mutually exclusive or not. So we will use additional probability rule. PA union B equal to PA plus PB, and then minus PA intercept B. So we substitute the probability that given in the question. 3 over 8 plus 1 over 4, and then minus 1 over 8. So just press your calculator and you can get the answer is 1 over 2.
For this example, given A and B are two events where PA equals to 1 over 3, PB equals to 3 over 5, and PA union B equals to 19 over 30, calculate A intercept B. Okay, we want to calculate PA intercept B. Okay, so for this example, we will use, okay, this formula. Okay, for PA union B equals to PA plus PB minus PA intercept B. So no statement in the question, okay, state that, okay, these two events are mutually exclusive. Okay, we cannot assume that this one is equals to 0. Okay, because the value of probability A intercept B is only equals to 0 when the event, okay, the events are mutually exclusive. Okay, so it's not equals to 0. Then, okay, because we want to find PA intercept B, okay, so we can, okay, change, okay, place for these two, okay, for the formula. So we'll get PA plus PB minus PA union B. Okay, then we substitute all the values. Okay, semua dah diberi dalam soalan. So 1/3 plus 3/5 minus 19/30. So the answer will be 3/10.
Okay, we are going to find the probability of an event. So example 1, given A and B are two events where PA equal to 1/3 and PB is 3/5. Okay, calculate PA union B if A and B are mutually exclusive events. So it is given here A and B are mutually exclusive events. So the formula for mutually exclusive event is PA union B is equal to PA plus PB. So we already have PA and PB in the question, so you just sub into the formula. So 1/3 plus 3/5, and then we can get 14/15 as our answer. Okay, we proceed to example 5. So a class have 50 students, 30 are male and 28 wear spectacles. Of the 30 males, 19 wear spectacles. Okay, so untuk memudahkan kita menjawab soalan ni, kita akan buat dalam bentuk tables. So we put here male as M, event M. So female as F. This one is wear spectacle. SS, event S, and not wear spectacles as event S prime or S bar. So hujung ni adalah total. So we complete the table. So a class have 50 students, so 50 here, the total, and 30 are males, so the total of male is 30, so we can get the total of female 20 by subtracting lah. Okay, of the 30 males, so daripada 30 orang lelaki ni, 19 wear spectacles, so kita tolak untuk dapatkan not wearing, which is 11. And then another information is 28 wear spectacle. So dekat bahagian wear spectacle ni adalah 28 dia punya total. So kita tolak untuk dapatkan female yang wear spectacle, which is 9. And lainnya awak lengkapkan lah guna subtraction. Okay, bila dah complete baru kita jawab soalan. So the first question is, if a student of this class is selected at random, find the probability that this student is a female. So A1, find the probability student is female. So from this table we can see that female is 20. So the probability is 20/50, which is simplified into 2/5. Okay, yang kedua, the probability of male or wear spectacles. So probability of M or is union, S is spectacles. So we use the additional probability rule. So PM plus PS minus PM intercept S. So PM is probability of M is 30/50. Okay, plus spectacle is 28/50, and then minus, okay, probability of M intercept S. So M dan S adalah bahagian sini. So 19/50. Then you calculate guna calculator, you akan dapat 39/50. Okay, and then soalan yang ketiga, probability of a female who do not wear spectacle. So PF, who do not wear, maksudnya at the same time lah dia intersect with the wearing spectacle. So F intercept S bar. not wearing. Okay. So kita tengok daripada kita punya table, female dan juga not wearing. So bahagian sini kita akan dapat terus 11/50. Okay, so soalan B. Okay, are the events male and wear spectacle mutually exclusive? So nak show dia, kita mesti dapatkan dia punya intersection. So male intersect wear spectacle. So kalau dia punya probability equal to 0, maksudnya dia adalah mutually exclusive. But now when we look at the table, so kita ada probability of M dan juga S, which is 19 over 50, not equal to 0. So we can say that event male and wear spectacle are not mutually exclusive. Okay, so next, bila dia bukan mutually exclusive, dia tanya pula which events are mutually exclusive. So event yang mana yang cannot happen at the same time? So daripada table ni we can see that male dan juga event female cannot happen at the same time. So event male and female are mutually exclusive because it cannot occur at the same time. Okay, so that's all for this video. So we will continue for the next video. So thank you for listening.